What if your next viral short started as just a simple piece of text? No camera, no fancy studio, no hours of editing, just one idea, and then AI turns it into hooks, a script, a voiceover, visuals, and captions in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to go from text to viral shorts in seconds using AI and automation, so you can post more, grow faster, and stay completely faceless. Welcome to the channel. Here we talk about AI, automation, and faceless content that can turn into real online income. Today's video is a step-by-step system. You start with any text, an idea, a tweet, a quote, a blog, or even a comment. We turn it into a scroll-stopping hook, then into a full short-form script, and then AI helps with the voiceover, visuals, and subtitles, ready to post. By the end of this video, you'll have a repeatable workflow to create shorts on demand, even if you hate being on camera and you're not a video editor. Let's start with the gold, your text. Most people think they need a crazy idea for a viral short. You don't. You just need a great hook. And hooks can come from very simple text, a tweet, a quote, a comment someone left on your video, a lesson from a book, or a small story from your own life. The problem is, raw text is usually too boring for short-form video. This is where AI comes in. You feed it something like, people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in a year. Then you ask AI, turn this idea into 5 viral hooks for a YouTube short. Make them bold, curiosity-driven, and under 10 seconds to read. AI might give you examples like, you're not failing. You're just thinking in 24 hours, not 12 months. Or, if you feel behind in life, listen to this 10-second reality check. Or maybe, you're judging your entire future by what you did today. That's why you're stressed. From one line of text, AI gives you multiple hooks. You pick the strongest one, the one that hits emotionally and makes people think, wait, that's me. That's the heart of viral shorts. One sharp idea packaged as a hook. A hook alone is not enough. You need structure so viewers stay until the end. We're aiming for 20 to 40 seconds. That's perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. You tell AI something like, using this hook, you're not failing. You're just thinking in 24 hours, not 12 months. Write a 30-second script for a YouTube short. Structure it with a hook, a relatable pain, a simple reframe, one action step, and a short punchline at the end. Make it conversational, no complex words. Now your script might look like this. Hook. You're not failing. You're just thinking in 24 hours, not 12 months. Pain. Every night you go to bed feeling behind. You didn't finish the to-do list, you didn't hit the goal, and you think, what's wrong with me? Reframe. But the problem isn't you. It's your time frame. You expect a new life out of one perfect day. Real change happens when you show up imperfectly for a year. Action. So instead of asking, did I win today? Ask, did I move 1 centimeter forward? Punchline. You're not behind in life. You're just running a marathon with a 24-hour mindset. That's a full short. You can do this same process for money tips, mindset, AI tools, business hacks, relationship frameworks, anything. The automation is simple. Feed AI the text, tell it the format you want, and get a script that's ready to record. Now you have text. Next, turn it into a voice. If you don't want to record your own voice, AI voice tools can read your script in male or female voices, with different accents, and in calm, energetic, or storytelling styles. Your workflow looks like this. Paste your script into the AI voice tool. Choose a voice that matches your channel brand, calm and deep for motivational content, energetic for money and AI hustle content, or soft and friendly for an educational explainer. Then, generate the audio and download the file. If you do want to use your own voice but still keep it efficient, you can record once, even on your phone. Then, use AI to remove background noise, fix the pacing, clean up ums and was, and balance the volume. Either way, the idea is the same. text to a clean voiceover in just a few clicks. No need for a studio, no need for perfect English. AI handles the clarity and polish. Now we add visuals to match your script. For faceless shorts, you have a few simple options. First, stock or B-roll footage. Think people working, city lights, scrolling, typing, nature, money, or time passing. You just layer your voiceover on top. Second, AI-generated visuals, like abstract backgrounds, futuristic AI designs, or animated shapes and patterns. Third is a very minimal style, just text on screen with a blurred background. This is perfect for quotes, strong messages, or hook-only shorts. Here's how to automate it. Create a few reusable templates in your editing app for your title layout, font style, color scheme, and subtitle position. For every new short, you just drop in your voiceover, drop in the footage or background, and apply the template. This is where automation truly saves you time. You're not designing every short from scratch. You're reusing one strong design system across dozens of videos. Subtitles are crucial for viral shorts. Most people watch with the sound off, especially on Instagram and TikTok. The good news? You don't have to type them manually. Modern tools will transcribe your voiceover automatically, sync the words with your audio, and let you style the text with colors, bold words, highlights, and emojis. Your automation flow is this. Import your finished video and voiceover into the editor. Click Auto Caption or Auto Subtitles. Check for small mistakes. And then highlight power words like broke, rich, secret, truth, stop, think, or reality check. That's it. You've now gone from raw text to a hook, script, voiceover, visuals, and subtitles, almost completely powered by AI. Now the fun part, scaling. If you want to grow fast, don't think in single videos. Think in batches and systems. Here's a simple method. First, one text source can become many shorts. One long blog post can become 10 to 20 shorts. One long YouTube videos can become 10 shorts. One Twitter thread can become 5 shorts. Tell AI, from this text, extract 10 short-form ideas with hooks and 30-second scripts about this topic. Second, one recording session can create many voiceovers. Sit down once, generate or record 5 to 10 scripts, process them with AI cleaning, and store all your audio files in a folder. Third, one editing template can produce endless videos. Same style, same fonts and branding, only the text, audio, and clips change. And fourth, schedule, don't manually upload. Upload a week or a month in advance and let the platform post it automatically. You're removing friction from every step. No more asking, what do I post today? Or, how do I edit this from scratch? Or, I don't have time to make content. You built a machine, text in, viral ready short out. Let's recap the text to viral short system. 1. Raw text to hook. Use AI to turn any idea, quote, or tweet into multiple viral hooks. 2. Hook to script. Ask AI for a 20 to 40-second short-form script with a clear structure. 3. Script to voiceover. Use an AI voice or clean your own voice automatically. 4. Voiceover to visuals. Plug into pre-made templates with B-roll or AI backgrounds. 5. Video to subtitles. Auto-generate captions, highlight power words, and make it thumb-stopping. And 6. One text to many shorts. Batch ideas, batch scripts, batch videos. Let automation do the heavy lifting. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need perfect English. You just need text, AI, and a simple system. If you want a part 2 where I show my exact prompts, a real example from start to finish, and a free template for your short scripts, type shorts in the comments and I'll make that video next. Hit like if this gave you ideas, subscribe if you want more AI hustle and automation workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.